Hello guys! Welcome back to my video, and for today, I got something super excited to share with you. And we're unboxing some of my parcel, and I've been waiting for this moment for a while. So let's not waste any more time and get straight into it. As you can see guys, this is eyelashes cluster, and as a girl, we can be a little obsessed with our looks, especially when it comes to our lashes and eyebrows. And I know a lot of girls could be related, but let's be real. Those little details can really boost our confidence. For some of us, it's the way our lashes make us fabulous. As for example, guys, a simple wing to grab your crush attention. Just kidding. But guys, that's the magic of the killer lashes. Let's take off the plastic first to see the eyelashes much better. And as you can see guys, there are different sizes of lashes cluster available to suit various looks, from natural to dramatic. Each sizes guys is designed to give you the perfect volume and the length for the desired effect. Along with the lashes guys, you also need a good lash glue to keep everything in place. The glue guys is essential for ensuring that the cluster stays secure for an hours. And it's important to choose one that's long-lasting yet gentle on the eyes. Additionally guys, you need a lash applicator or clip to help you easily apply a cluster with precision. And the applicator guys allow you to place the lashes with accuracy, ensuring they adhere proper and sit comfortably. The one thing that I really love this guys is because these lashes are budget friendly and easy to apply, making them perfect timing for beginners or anyone who want to save money and time instead of paying for expensive lash extension. Whether you're getting ready for a special occasion or just want to enhance your everyday look, cluster lashes are cost-effective. These tools guys like lashes, the glue, and the clip one, they are essential that help you to achieve flawless, beautiful lashes every day. And by the way guys, if you want to know where I buy this, I bought this in AliExpress just only for $0.99 for the total price of $6.80. So what are you waiting for guys? Shop now in AliExpress and get a lot of discount. Bye bye. Enjoy shopping.